I'm sure you're also tired of all the junk, the AI generated garbage on the internet. All these cat videos that it looks unreal and it's actually not real. All these dogs videos that are surviving or help, defend the child against the predator. All of this, uh, and also a lot of, garbage that you just see every day on the internet, and you just don't know how to get away from it. You want somewhere peaceful, somewhere natural, where the content is trustworthy, you can trust it. One way is to have a YouTube sort of a platform where only original and authentic content is posted. I mean, that's one way to do it. The other way is to use blockchain. You can use blockchain other than cryptocurrency in a way where authentication can be verified uh, by the blockchain. Here's, you know, the the intersection of blockchain and content verification works to fight the AI garbage that you see on the internet. I'll explain to you, how it works. And I mean, there is some setbacks. It's not finalized. The idea is still has some flaws, but it is the starting point to make sure that content we see is authentic. So instead of just a visual watermark that can be cropped out, creators can anchor a digital signature of their media to a blockchain. So the way it works is that the moment a camera takes a photo or a video of a scene, it generates a unique hash, kind of a digital fingerprint, uh, and uh, and records it on a public ledger, just like the blockchain. And examples of it would be if, for instance, a video shows a politician in a scene that he doesn't or she doesn't want to be seen at, and they claim it's to be an AI generated content. You can verify it using that blockchain. A real world effort is already underway to make this happen, and it's done through the C2PA, which is Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity. This is, I guess, it's a type of a standard that uses cryptography to attach manifests to images and videos. So it kind of creates a transparency. It shows you the history of the file, where it was created, how it was edited, and all of that. And it kind of shows you the history of it and whether any AI tools were used in the process. And while C2PA can exist without blockchain, a decentralized ledger provides a permanent tamper-proof registry that no single government or corporation can manipulate or uh, delete or alter. We also have the issue of the trust protocol versus the truth protocol. Blockchain doesn't necessarily tell you if an image is real or good or moral, but it tells you if it is authentic and what the author or creator or the publisher claims it to be. Uh, it actually kind of incentivizes reality. We could use a future uh, where social media platforms automatically flag any content that doesn't have a verified on-chain origin. And YouTube could also use the same thing. There's also a reputation layer whereby journalists and creators could build trust scores. You know, uh, if they are caught signed off on a deepfake, their cryptographic identity is permanently tarnished, making it harder for them to spread misinformation again. And it could be something that uh, that is used by the journalist, or journalistic institutions, and anyone interested in information industry. But there are some challenges yet. Uh, while blockchain is a powerful tool, it cannot make a magic bullet. There is this analog hole where a journalist can take a photo with an analog photo of an AI generated image and claim it to be uh, a, a real image or an authentic image. So that has to be mitigated somehow. Even though the object is fake, the image is originated from an analog camera. For this to work, and another issue is that every smartphone and camera manufacturer needs to integrate hardware level signing or a secure enclave into their devices. And that is something that, as an infrastructure issue, but there are other ways around it. What I'm thinking is that you can have, uh, when a person takes a camera and takes a photo of something, they can do it on themselves. So if there is any dispute on the authenticity, they can claim, you can verify it through the blockchain. I think we are the internet right now is just too much. There's too much garbage. The AI generated text, the AI generated articles, the LinkedIn, which is full of nonsense, the YouTube videos that I sometimes get tired of. Even government institutions that they use AI for their propaganda. And it's all just tiring, to be honest with you. Then there has to be a way to fight this, and go back to the original authentic materials and content that we used to have. I kind of miss those days, and I hope there's a way to battle this somehow very soon. Let me know what you think. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.